Ever stared at a spreadsheet, a tangled mess of numbers, and wondered, isn't there a better way? A way to streamline everything from sales to inventory and a payroll. You're running a business, right? You've got a million things on your plate. You're juggling customer relationships, marketing campaigns, and trying to keep your team happy. And then there's payroll. The silent giant, the one thing you absolutely cannot mess up. Think about it. Miss a deadline, and you've got unhappy employees. Make a calculation error, and you're dealing with tax penalties. Spend hours manually inputting data, and you're wasting precious time that could be spent growing your business. So you're looking for a solution, a system that can handle it all. And that brings us to the question that's probably been nagging at you. Does NetSuite do payroll? Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's paint a picture. Imagine a world where your financial data seamlessly flows from sales to accounting, and yes, even to payroll. A world where you can access real-time insights, automate tedious tasks, and ensure compliance with ever-changing regulations. Sounds good, right? That's the promise of a unified enterprise resource planning, ERP system like NetSuite. But let's be real. ERP systems can be complex beasts. They're powerful, yes, but they also require careful configuration and implementation. And when it comes to payroll, the stakes are even higher. You're dealing with sensitive employee information, tax calculations, and legal obligations. So it's natural to have questions. First, let's clarify what NetSuite is. It's a cloud-based ERP system that provides a suite of applications for managing various aspects of your business, including financials, customer relationship management, CRM, inventory, and e-commerce. It's designed to provide a single, integrated platform for managing your entire business. Now, back to our burning question. Does NetSuite do payroll? The answer is, it's a little nuanced. NetSuite itself doesn't offer a native, fully built-in payroll solution for every single country. Instead, it provides a flexible framework and integrates with third-party payroll providers. This allows you to choose a payroll solution that best fits your specific needs and location. Think of it like this. NetSuite is the foundation, the core of your business operations. And payroll is a specialized function that can be handled by a dedicated provider. NetSuite acts as the central hub, allowing you to seamlessly connect your payroll data with your other business processes. So, what does this actually mean in practice? Well, it means you have options. For businesses operating in the United States, NetSuite offers a robust payroll solution called NetSuite SuitePeople Payroll. This is a cloud-based payroll solution that's fully integrated with NetSuite's ERP platform. It automates payroll processing, tax calculations, and reporting, helping you ensure compliance and accuracy. SuitePeople Payroll offers a range of features, including automated payroll processing, automates the calculation of wages, deductions, and taxes. Tax management handles federal, state, and local tax calculations and filings. Direct deposit allows employees to receive their paychecks directly into their bank accounts. Employee self-service provides employees with access to their pay stubs, W-2s, and other payroll information. Reporting and analytics generates reports on payroll data, allowing you to track trends and identify areas for improvement. But what about businesses operating outside the United States? That's where NetSuite's integration capabilities come into play. NetSuite integrates with a wide range of third-party payroll providers, allowing you to choose a solution that's tailored to your specific country's regulations and requirements. These integrations allow you to import payroll data, automatically import payroll data from your chosen provider into NetSuite, reconcile accounts, easily reconcile payroll transactions with your general ledger, generate reports, create custom reports that combine payroll data with other business data. This approach gives you the flexibility to choose the best payroll solution for your needs, while still benefiting from the integrated nature of NetSuite. Let's break down some of the benefits of using NetSuite with a payroll solution, whether it is SuitePeople Payroll or an integrated third party. 1. Streamlined data flow. One of the biggest advantages is the seamless flow of data between your payroll system and other NetSuite modules. This eliminates the need for manual data entry, reducing the risk of errors and saving you time. 2. Improved accuracy. Automated calculations and data validation help ensure accuracy in payroll processing, reducing the risk of costly mistakes. 3. Enhanced compliance. NetSuite and its integrated payroll solutions help you stay compliant with ever-changing regulations, reducing the risk of penalties. 4. Increased efficiency. Automation and streamlined workflows free up your team to focus on more strategic tasks. 5. Real-time insights. Access to real-time payroll data allows you to track trends, identify areas for improvement, and make informed decisions. 6. Centralized platform. Having all your business data in one place provides a comprehensive view of your operations, allowing you to make better informed decisions. Now, it's important to consider the potential challenges. Implementing any new system requires careful planning and execution. 1. Integration complexity. Integrating a third-party payroll provider with NetSuite can require technical expertise and careful configuration. 2. Data migration. Migrating payroll data from an existing system to NetSuite can be a complex process. 3. Training and adoption. Ensuring that your team is properly trained on the new system is crucial for successful adoption. 4. Cost considerations. Implementing NetSuite in a payroll solution can involve significant upfront and ongoing costs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.